guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. And like everybody else, I am scrolling up and down my TikTok page and different things pop up on my FYP. And this particular recipe came up on mine. It was a simple bagel with cream cheese and it was dipped in this delicious butter sauce. And I thought, you know what, I got to give this a try to see if it tastes as good as it looks. And I gave it a try. And let me know if you saw the same recipe. So if you want to see how it turned out, please keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers, and don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So no talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I have some plain bagels, and you can choose whatever plain bagels that you like. Just make sure they're not pre-sliced down the middle, because you're going to take a knife and just slice it 4 times on top, only halfway through. So you just know it's going to be really good if garlic is included. So I'm going to go ahead and dice up 3 garlic cloves. So I went ahead and I rinsed off some fresh parsley, and I'm just going to ball it up really quick and take my knife and I'm going to chop and dice around 2 tablespoons. So the parsley is done and I'm going to set it to the side because I'm going to get started on the last ingredient, and that's the cream cheese. And I set it out for a couple of hours because I wanted the cheese to become soft at room temperature. And I'm going to put the cream cheese in a Ziploc bag, kind of like a piping bag hack, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the tip and I'm going to use it later for the bagels. But in the meantime, let's make this delicious and simple butter sauce. So I'm going to melt 1 stick of unsalted butter and you just stick it in the microwave and it's going to melt just like that. And I'm going to add the garlic and I'm going to add the chopped parsley and also a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese and just mix it around. And now just take the cream cheese and just pipe it into each slice of the bagel. And then you just dip and swirl the bagel into that yummy butter sauce. But of course I want even more, so I'm going to take a brush and just brush even more butter onto my bagel, and I'm also going to add even more of that Parmesan cheese on top. And now you just put it in an air fryer at 400 degrees and let it cook for 6 minutes. So after 6 minutes, this is what the bagel looks like, and when I saw this on TikTok, this is what inspired me to make this video. So the question is, does this bagel taste as good as it looks? Well, the answer is absolutely yes. It is so delicious. You guys have to definitely give it a try. So this quick video is done, you guys. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please comment down below and let me know what you think.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.